Hi guys, in this video I want to explain and show you how to use Loom to record your screen and send quick messages to your clients and answer questions. So I don't know if you've seen the video that I sent to you. I created a video about Melissa's pricing trends, and this is what we're going to go through on how to create that. So when you log in to NTREIS, you will click on trends, and when you log in, this is the dashboard that you will see. And I don't know if you guys played with this or not before, but it's pretty simple and very genius. You can make custom reports. I encourage you to log in and play with all the numbers. You can customize price range, property type, bedrooms, construction types, and so forth. And down here, you have more options of creating charts for your clients. The topic of this video is not how to create trends videos. I mean, how to create trends charts, but I'm going to show you how to record this. So I created a custom search because the client is interested in a piece of land that is over $1 million. So I just created a custom and I entered 1 million here. And I also compared the overall market, the real estate market in Melissa, because he's also interested in building. This will give you a 3-year chart, but you can customize it further here, which I didn't want to because I just wanted to show him how pricing is going up in Melissa. And right now it's pretty steady. And then to record this, I used Loom. Loom is a free service. It has a paid version as well, but you simply go to loom.com and you can create a profile here and sign in. You can start for free. And once you signed in, you also need to download a Chrome extension. And I will leave the link in the description below. So you can come to this page and it will show you how to create the Chrome extension. An extension is basically right here. When you have a browser open, you can just click on the Loom icon here and it will start recording your screen. So this link will be in the description and this is where you will click on that page to download the Chrome extension. And once you have the Chrome extension installed, you go to the page that you want to record and you click on the little icon and it will bring up a little window where you can decide if you want to record the full screen, which camera and which microphone you will use, and you start your recording. This is not a technical video that I'm explaining, so if you guys need help with this, you can reach out to me and I can help you set this up. And once you start the recording, you will get a little window pop up that will ask you which window you want to record. My experience is that it's much better to record the entire screen because that way you can jump between different tabs and you don't lose your recording. So now, once you started your presentation, I recommend that you practice it a little bit before you record it because you have a 5-minute limit on it. So you give your presentation, explain the charts, give your message to the client. And when you are ready with the presentation, you will see the little controls up here and you click on the red square to stop the recording. And it will stop the recording. And once it's processed, it will be in your library on Loom. And what genius is about this program, that once you recorded your video and it's stopped processing, it will auto-generate a summary and chapters for your video, which I think I couldn't even have written this better than what it did. And it was just, I just was speaking from the top of my head, and it really created an excellent summary of my video. And then you can share your presentation in your library. You will have the video available. You will see the share button up here. It's a blue button that you will see on your screen. And once you clean it, this pop-up window will come up and you can share it in different formats. You can share it by an email address, or just copy the link and email or text the link to the person that you want to. You can also share it on social media or embed it in your website. This is a little bit more advanced. So I hope that this tool caught your attention and you will start practicing with this. Thank you for coming, guys, and enjoy the video.